Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very glad to have you here in the second presentation of the email power machine. Now the work begins. In this presentation, I wanted to give you five reasons why email marketing is so important, so essential for your success in your business. The details, you can also read it back in chapter 1 of your ebook. So now I would like to start with the five reasons. The first one, as you can read here, is that email is by far the most used form of communication. You are going to ask me why? Well, let me ask you a question. Do you know anyone who doesn't use email? My guess is most likely not. Almost everyone uses email. Let me give you an example. My neighbor is a woman of 86 years old, and even she uses email. So what I want to say here is that the whole world uses email, and it is still growing, that's for sure. So now we go to the second reason. The second reason is also all these points, all the five points are very important. So the second reason is also important. This is that you can be sure that your email messages are received. With social media, you are dependent on the channels to show you what they are doing in the news feed of your followers. They decide what they show to your followers. When you post a message, you never know where and on which way they show your messages. Why? Well, you don't own these channels. You have no influence on them. And therefore, I cannot stress enough that building an email list is very important. Because unlike social media, you own this channel. You own really your email list. You are the owner and you can do with it what you want. So now I want to make the step to the third reason. Third reason is that email marketing costs almost nothing. It costs almost nothing and it's very effective. Why? Why costs it almost nothing? Well, it's very simple. To click the send button, that's for free. Completely for free. Of course, a good email strategy takes time and it takes energy. You must do it in a professional way, etc. But then you click the button and that's for free. In other words, it's simple, effective, and cheap. What do you want more? Now I come to the fourth reason of this second video presentation. To measure is to know. What I want to say with this is that with your email campaigns you can measure everything. The percentage that is opened, on which links are clicked, how high are the click-through rates, etc. And all this information is something that you can use to optimize your email strategy, to optimize to a next higher professional level. You find out exactly what works and what doesn't work by measuring all the information you get with your email campaigns. And also, I come now automatically to reason 5, that you can tackle all the phases of your sales funnel with your email marketing. What do I mean by that? I mean that you can send very targeted and tailored emails because you measure all the information you get with your email campaigns, and with that information, you know the needs of your buyers. You know what they need and where they ask for. And that means you can give each potential buyer the right content. Not the wrong content, the right content. And when you give your potential buyers the right content, the chances are much, much higher that you sell to these buyers, so to say, because you certified, you give them what they need. So this were the 5 reasons why email marketing is so essential for your business. And this is also the end of the second presentation, and I see you in the next video. Thank you very, very much.